Hello guys, be here with a new video with Whimsy stamps, and today we're gonna be using the Hello Bear stamp set, this little guy right here, and I think we're gonna use the other one as well, the Gulliver's Garden paper, also the inside of the honeycomb die set, and this part of the cloud and grass dies. We're gonna be using squeezed lemonade and the distress stains as well. Let's go ahead and get going. So here I have the inside of that die, the honeycomb die, and we're only going to be using some parts of this die, like the honeycomb part. The first thing I'm going to do is that I am going to color this, or stain, I guess, ink, whatever you want to call it, with a squeezed lemonade, and I'm only gonna focus on the sides of that die. I am not gonna focus much on the center because I'm not gonna use the center, like the middle of this die. So let's speed it through this part. I'll see you at the end. Then I thought I needed to add a little bit of sparkle, so I'm using this distress spray stain, which is the antique bronze, and I always use my nozzle, like the straw of the nozzle. I never spray it. I don't know, I just like better this way. But if you like the spray part, go ahead and do the spray part. And I'm also gonna use picket fence for this. I will see you at the end as I speed this part up. Now here I have the grass that we're going to be using, and I'm also going to ink it and using rustic wilderness and twisted citron. And for this part, I am gonna add the darkest ink towards the bottom and the sides, and then the lightest ink in the middle. And you see here that I have like a big piece with my grass and then a smaller, and that's why, because we're gonna be doing a little bit of Frankenstein work here because my die is not for a slimline. So we need to do a little bit of, patching up or something. So here I have, this is the paper, the pattern paper that I'm going to be using. And if you don't have pattern papers like these from Whimsy, why? It's so easy, you guys, to make cards when you have these papers, because your background is already done, and I feel so inspired with these papers. Like my imagination just flies when I see these papers. So get them. And then here I am just cutting the honeycomb around. You can just choose whatever honeycomb part you like from this die. I am just cutting around it, and I'm gonna speed up through this part, and you see me gluing them in different parts of my pattern paper. So I glue down two of them, and then this is a Frankenstein part. So I just added glue to my paper and added my grass, and then just cut the rest. And here we have the stamps. I think I'm gonna use some of those flowers since I already have daisies in the back, and to raise them up a little, baby. And then I have my bear, which he's gonna be covering that join there with the two pieces of grass. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp them, color them, come back and show you. And here they are. They look so cute. And I have left that laying bare like that because I'm gonna glue him down or glue her down and cut or trim the rest. I am using dimensionals with some of my images and glue for some others. I'm gonna go ahead and glue everything down and show you at the end. Here I decided to add a little bit more of honeycomb. And then here adding my sentiment. I use dimensionals for my sentiment as well. It says take time to enjoy simple things. And here's how my card turned out. Isn't it so cute? I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure that you join our Facebook group, link in the description below, so you can be inspired by the design team and other Whimsy fans that post their projects. I will see you next time.